Aga, today, let me show myself.
Pinakanta mo kuya? Ano yung okay?
Okay, I'm recording. Stop. Stop. I just said I'm recording. So, I actually clicked the song. Shut up! Yan. Then, yes, LOL. Then we have recolorable cube. Then we have giant robot melon. I think it's 3D too.
Lobat na siya.
MJ Moonwalk.
Kailangan ilobat mo.
So, I like it.
Kailangan na siya.
So, are you okay?
Bakit ngayon namatay
Mel Experiment 101.
siya bahay?
Mel of Shield Hole. What did I not show? Vostok 1 tank. Oh, wait. This is not what I requested. Shut up. Crinomelon, yeah, that I just wanted to respond that. Vostok 1 tank. It is free, guys. It's free.
So that's why we went silent or went quiet.
Actual spearhead.
Because ang Senado na kinokontrol ng Malacanang ay hindi tunay na Senado. And you saw,
Arm syringe.
may mga behind the scenes yan, kaya sabi ko nga, restriction ito. You read between the lines. The reality is, I
Bullshit.
expected by 13, says, hindi ka pa rin pwedeng palitan kundi.
Bomb room.
So wala silang preses, so wala silang bombong. Kahit
Yeah,
anong
it's full of bombs.
sa kanilang justification.
Open it. Oh, damn.
Assuming may forum sila, prese para tanggalin ang Senate President pro tempore. Even if natanggal nila kasi yung all seats vacant,
Chasiwaska.
yung pinupok pala sa kawanakon, hindi alam ni Senator,
Chasiwaska.
you cannot declare all seats vacant with well. You can declare all seats vacant below
Or was I
Senate
again?
President and Senate pro tempore with
Oh, yeah. Choking clicker game.
pero hindi pwedeng Senate President. So dapat ang pinupok ni Senator Will is the most representative daw. Kasi daw silang kami, nung nag-declare kami all seats vacant, president. Kaya,
Clicker game.
so having said that, democracy is messy. But we have to embrace the democracy. We have to embrace.
It's fun, isn't it?
Sabi ng Constitution, walang political
Scroll torch. I don't know if I showed this again. Show this
Ibig ba sabihin, sunod
I don't if I showed this already, but okay. Crushing machine. Got from the workshop.
Okay lang.
Dead MJ Moonwalk.
Pag kami hindi dumating,
They don't need me.
o ano sabi nila, ayaw namin magtrabaho. Sabi nila,
iPixel.
mga general sa screen, sabi nila, kawawa yung mga pasyente sa hospital, kawawa yung mga estudyante, etc.
Hanging.
Nag-session sila.
They're just
May
hanging.
sila. Sabi nila, may forum. Anong ginawa nila?
I don't know what this is. Inverted melon. Juice holder. Ow! Killer.
Hindi nila pinagawa. So makikita mo, they're talking about power.
I was about to say, I don't know if I showed that.
Yung katotohanan, napansin mo kanina.
Melon V2. Minigun V2. Melon with knife hand. Melons.
Kapag ka may problema ang security ng Senado, we can ask law enforcement for police for help. Kita nyo gano'n
Where am I? I'm gonna spawn myself. Oh, where's Colonel Melon?
So, Senator Win wants to be president, but
There.
he's exercising all kinds of
MPG logo.
democracy. Papayag siya doon sila. Papayag siya acting
Not so heavy item. Still heavy. Pianosaurus head. It's non-existent.
Papayag siya na.
Posing melon. I think I already showed this.
Parang dito. Anong image ng Senate? So, doon sa inyo,
Rocket.
buhay pa ni Marshall Moore.
Doesn't exist too.
Anong
Red Dot.
different time. There were different circumstances. So,
Spear killer. Spearhead.
But I have to admit,
I'll show you in the future video.
sa konsensya nila.
This guy too.
Ano naman niya, yung sasabi ko. So now,
Spring.
power and truth. The truth is, and
The ball
all of you know
shield.
in your heart, there are 24 senators
It's a shield holder.
claiming to achieve for
It's gonna eat me, isn't it? Ow!
Tanong ko sa inyo ha, kung napasa nila,
Switch your game.
daw, okay, ilan ang kailangan para ma-impeach ang isang official?
Do not click it. I will.
Okay? So, mga arresto na naman
Ow!
okay, is 2/3 of 18. So kung mag-aresto sila ng 6 na senador,
Torture room.
i-convict nila kung sino yung gusto yung convict. Sasabihin nila, nakakulong yung 6 eh. So ang voting natin is 12 is 2/3. Yan ang
Kirby
kasunod
Cube.
nito.
It already looks so
Anong
trippy
kasunod?
in like that. So
AI
look at this.
us.
Oh,
So hindi
frick.
biro yung kasunod nun.
My eyes!
Si Soto, si Cayetano, si Gatchalian, si Cayetano, ang Malacanang, at Senate, hindi po.
That's the name. It's
ang state. Kaya hindi masagot diretso ng Malacanang.
User mods versus mods.
Kung anong gagawa nila.
Hold up.
Sabi nila, ekonomiya yung
Let me do a battle real quick.
Mag-usap tungkol sa ekonomiya. Sabi nila, yung trial, kailangan impartial o may nakita na para impartial ang exam. Is there anything in my reputation? Sabi nila, yan si Alan nangangagat ng amo niya.
Kaboom! Ow! Frick you. Okay, not to battle, but I'll make a battle in the next video. Young MJ Moonwalk.
For their convenience,
Weapon rack. No, show that. Weird spring. Hold up. Weird spring. I don't know why I made that, but okay. Young MJ suit. Young MJ.
I'm praying for him. I know his circumstance. Many
I know
people
that
close
there's
to me
more
said
stuff.
a lot of things last night. At ang sabi ko, kung alam nyo lang ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat
Oh no! Oh yeah. Melon factory intertection.
Mabigat sa akin, pag lalaki umiiyak. Kasi lalaki
I don't know what any of that means. Alright guys. Bye!